In an increasingly automated world, artificial intelligence makes decisions that impact our lives daily, from recommending what we watch to managing complex financial transactions. But what happens when those decisions, made by algorithms and data, go wrong and lead to unintended consequences? The question of accountability in AI is incredibly complex, touching upon deep ethical considerations, intricate legal frameworks, and the very foundations of technology itself. Who truly bears the responsibility when an AI system errs, especially when its decision-making process is opaque? Consider the rapidly evolving field of self-driving cars. If an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, leading to injury or property damage, is the car manufacturer who designed the hardware at fault? Is it the software developer who coded the AI's decision-making algorithms, or even the owner who activated the autonomous mode to blame? Similarly, in critical medical diagnoses, an AI might misinterpret complex patient data, such as MRI scans or lab results, leading to an incorrect diagnosis or an inappropriate treatment plan. The stakes are incredibly high in these scenarios, directly impacting human health, well-being, and even lives. At the very heart of every AI system are algorithms, which are essentially sets of precise rules and instructions that dictate how the system processes information, learns, and makes decisions. These algorithms are meticulously designed and implemented by humans, making human error a significant potential factor in their performance and reliability. Data bias is another critical and pervasive issue. If the vast datasets used to train an AI system are inherently biased, perhaps reflecting societal inequalities or incomplete information, the AI will inevitably learn and perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair, discriminatory, or incorrect outcomes in real-world applications. Neural networks, a core component of modern AI, are inspired by the intricate structure of the human brain and learn from immense amounts of data. Their decision-making processes can become incredibly complex and, at times, even opaque, making it exceptionally difficult to trace the exact cause of an error or understand why a particular decision was made. Developers play a crucial and foundational role in the AI development lifecycle, from setting the initial parameters and selecting the training data to defining the AI's objectives. Their choices and assumptions directly influence the AI's behavior, its capabilities, and its potential for making errors or exhibiting unintended biases. Users also bear some degree of responsibility, especially when they misuse an AI system, operate it outside its intended parameters, or fail to fully understand its inherent limitations and capabilities. Proper training, clear operational guidelines, and user education are absolutely essential for safe and effective AI deployment. The AI itself, while not a conscious entity in a human sense, is ultimately the agent performing the action or making the decision. Some legal and philosophical scholars argue that as AI becomes increasingly autonomous and sophisticated, it should eventually hold a form of electronic personhood with associated responsibilities and liabilities. Legal frameworks around the world are struggling significantly to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI technology. Existing laws, often designed for human-centric actions and responsibilities, frequently don't fit the unique and complex challenges posed by autonomous decision-making systems, creating significant gaps in regulation. This creates significant legal gray areas, making it incredibly difficult to assign blame, determine liability, or provide appropriate compensation when an AI system causes harm or makes a detrimental error. The absence of clear legal precedents complicates resolution for all parties involved. The erosion of public trust is another critical risk. If people lose faith in AI systems due to repeated errors, a lack of transparency, or insufficient accountability mechanisms, the adoption of beneficial AI technologies could slow considerably, hindering technological progress and societal benefits. However, these profound challenges also present significant opportunities for innovation and improvement. They push us to develop more robust, transparent, and ethically sound AI systems that are designed with accountability and human values at their core, leading to better technology for everyone. In response, new regulations, industry standards, and best practices are rapidly emerging to address these complex issues. The aim is to create a safer, more trustworthy, and more predictable AI ecosystem where responsibilities are clearly defined and understood. The future impact of AI accountability extends to virtually every sector of society, from finance and healthcare to defense and transportation. Establishing clear guidelines and robust oversight mechanisms is paramount for the responsible and beneficial deployment of AI across all these domains. Developing AI that can effectively explain its decisions, a field known as explainable AI or XAI, is a key and rapidly growing area of research. This enhanced transparency could significantly help in pinpointing the exact causes of errors, understanding biases, and improving system reliability. Ethical AI design principles are also gaining significant traction, focusing on embedding values like fairness, privacy, security, and human oversight into AI systems from the very beginning of their development lifecycle, rather than as an afterthought. The collaboration between diverse experts, technologists who build the AI, ethicists who guide its moral implications, lawyers who shape its legal framework, and policymakers who regulate its use, is absolutely essential to navigate this complex and uncharted technological territory effectively. Ultimately, ensuring accountability in AI is not merely about assigning blame after an incident occurs, but fundamentally about fostering innovation responsibly, building enduring public trust, and ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interests. It's about creating a future where AI serves humanity effectively and ethically, minimizing potential risks and unintended consequences while maximizing the immense benefits and positive societal impact that these powerful technologies can offer. The challenge of AI accountability is a profound and multifaceted one, demanding continuous dialogue, interdisciplinary research, and proactive, adaptive solutions from all stakeholders to shape a responsible AI future. Subscribe to AI Blast for more science explained by artificial intelligence.